Hello and welcome. This is an Audi A3 8P model 03 to 12, and they all have the same rear wiper, particularly the sportback. Now over time, if you can see that there, the wiper just decides it's no good anymore, so we're going to replace it. Now I have searched around and the best wiper for this is the Bosch wiper, so I'm going to replace it and no tools needed. So just watch now. It's your new wiper. Lift this back. You put your hand in behind and just work it up and it pops out. Replacement wiper. Just line it up. So you'll have to excuse me there while I just get a look. It can only go one way. So you line it and you just press it in, and that's all there is to it. Now you can see the drag marks from the old blade, so what we'll do then is we'll just try it then with the new one, so keep an eye on that. And you can see how much clearer that is. Now the car does need a wash, but that's another thing. So simple, 2-minute job. And it cost me, what, €12? Well worth it for possibly another 5 years. Now I hope you enjoyed this. If you do, give us a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again.